Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Thursday, April 3rd. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1 is not high school. It is correct. And number 2 is a color. Gray. Very good. G-R-A-Y. Number 1. Please listen and write this in your notebook. They are in elementary school. They are in elementary school. Elementary school. It is a school for children age 6 to 12. Now we can make a card for elementary school and remember it forever. Please make a card like this. Write elementary school, 2 words on top. Down in this corner, CTY 1. This means city, level 1. And over here the number 20 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Lit men treat school, elementary school. Word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. The cat is gray. The cat is gray. Gray. It is a color between black and white. Now we can make a flashcard for gray. If you say gray is a color, gray is a noun. But if you say the cat is gray, it is an adjective. Please make a card like this. Write gray up here in the top left corner. G-R-A-Y. Down here in the bottom left corner, color 1. This means color level 1. And the number over here is 4 out of 11. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Gray. Game over. You did very well today. Jennifer's children go to elementary school every day. And what color is the cat? It is gray. G-R-A-Y. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1, can you say it? Very good. A paved road. This is a road with a hard surface. And Jennifer's job is very stressful. Very nice, with an F. And Bob doesn't want to go with us. He's gonna stay behind. Thank you for watching. My name is Vinny from Canada. Bye-bye.